Hi YouTube. So I came across an easy way where you can remove a disk, like make it unusable, erase everything, wipe it clean very easily through some command prompts. No need for a third party. So right now I'm just going to show a visual part in your computer management, disk management, and I have it right here. It's a disk drive, and it's disk 1. Excuse me 1 minute. Okay, so you're going to go to your command prompt, and you're going to have to run it as administrator. Why it keeps hitting that. Anyways, you can type in the command diskpart. Okay, and you're going to go to list. And so you see it's right there. They have the two. Now disk 0 is your C drive, and you can't remove that. See 238, 238. You have 28, 28. Okay, so you're going to go to select disk 1. See disk 1. Hit enter. And you're going to type clean. Now this will wipe it completely. So see, now it's unusable. Well, it's unallocated, but how to get this back? Let's see. So see, it's going to say unusable. So now watch this. Create partition primary. See, there you go. It's healthy. It's usable. Now, minimize this. So basically, you go to your folder file. Easiest way to kind of start this up, and look for the disk. Select it. You got to format it. Let's do a quick format start. So it'll warn you. Format complete. Okay. Close it. Now it's empty. Now I can use it again. I hope this helped anybody. If you want to, I guess if you have unusable disks, that can repair that. And if you want to clean out a drive completely, wipe it to recycle, that's how you do it. Hope this video helps, and like, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Have a great day.